Hi, I am Ondřej from Sketch Engine, and in this screencast I will show you how to count words, part of speech tags and text types in concordance lines. Especially if your concordance is very big, with thousands or millions of lines, it is important to learn to use the frequency tool to count various statistics. Let's start with the concordance for eat lunch. The words in red are called quick, which stands for keyword in context. To count the number of occurrences of each form of eat, click frequency and word forms. Eat lunch is the most frequently used form, with eating lunch being the second. To see examples of one of the word forms in context, use the local menu. You can also count the words appearing one position to the right or left of the quick. You can count the words on other positions using the Advanced tab. Frequency also works with part of speech tags. Let's do this for the word that comes after the quick. The most frequent tag is the preposition. Use the corpus information page to understand the part of speech tags. Calculating the lemmas will count all the different word forms together and display the dictionary form of the phrase. The lemma frequency will be more useful with this concordance. It is practical to count the different forms of to be together. And again, to display examples in context, use the local menu. This preset calculates the statistics of all text types from which the concordance lines originate. This preset will only calculate the text types displayed as line details. To calculate the frequency of just one text type, either display only one text type as line details, and then use the line details preset, or open the line details of any line and click the frequency button next to the text type of interest. The Advanced tab is used when you need to calculate the frequencies of words at a certain distance from the quick. You can also use a different attribute for the calculation. For example, the lowercase attribute lets you ignore the differences between lowercase and uppercase letters. And you can also include more than one position into the calculation. This will, for example, calculate the most frequent two words following eat lunch, while ignoring the difference between lowercase and uppercase. When working with very large corpora, please bear in mind that the frequency calculation may take several minutes to complete. For practice purposes, use a small corpus or apply a random sample first to reduce the number of concordance lines. The random sample approach is also a great way of receiving an indicative result quickly when working with a very large concordance. To see more screencasts like this one, click the subscribe button. To try Sketch Engine, register for a free trial on sketchengine.eu. Thank you for watching and see you at the next screencast. Use the comments for any questions you might have.